Before buying a saltwater trolling reel, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the reel buyers are definitely talking about it. You don't just want something that looks good. You want to know what actually performs well out on the water.
Product number 1, Piscifun Chaos XS Bait Casting Fishing Reel, priced at $64.99. What caught my attention was its sleek design and reinforced metal body. If you want a smooth and powerful experience while trolling, this is worth a serious look. Here's why the Chaos XS might be your go-to reel. It features a professional-grade aluminum frame that makes it lighter without sacrificing durability. We're talking about a powerful 22 pounds of stopping power thanks to its premium carbon fiber drag system. This means you can easily tackle those trophy fish. Plus, its centrifugal brake system minimizes backlash, ensuring you can cast further and more accurately. And with over 100 units sold just last month, it's clear this reel is gaining traction among anglers. Now, some users have mentioned that it can feel a bit bulky during extended use. Here's the thing though, if you're after performance, you might find that the benefits outweigh any minor discomfort. It's built for serious anglers who need reliability. This is perfect for you if you're an avid fisherman looking for a dependable reel to handle saltwater conditions. Skip this one if you prefer something ultralight for casual fishing trips. For its price, it delivers great value. Now, if the Chaos XS's weight bothers you, this next option takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, KastKing Rover. We have the KastKing Rover round bait casting fishing reel, retailing at $69.99. Reinforced with thick aluminum side plates, this reel screams durability. If you're after a reliable workhorse, this one's definitely worth considering. KastKing has really nailed it with this design. It boasts a carbon fiber drag system that can hold up to 20 pounds of drag. That's essential when you're reeling in larger fish. The premium stainless steel ball bearings ensure smooth operation, which is crucial when you're in the heat of the moment. Plus, the oversized non-slip grips give you that extra comfort when fighting a fish. It's been gaining popularity lately with over 100 sold this month, indicating strong demand. However, some users find the drag adjustment to be a little finicky. But honestly, once you get used to it, it's not a deal breaker for most serious anglers who prioritize performance. This reel is perfect for you if you fish for catfish and striper bass in saltwater. Skip this one if you need something more lightweight for occasional use. Considering its strong build, it offers solid value for the price. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a bit more finesse.
Product number 3, Piscifun Chaos Pro. Let's talk about the Piscifun Chaos Pro bait casting fishing reel, priced at $94.99. What caught my eye is its CNC machined aluminum body. If you demand precision and durability, this one's definitely worth your attention. This reel features a max drag of 25 pounds, which is impressive and crucial for anglers targeting larger species. The magnetic braking system allows for precise casting control, which really helps you adjust to different lure weights and wind conditions. With sealed bearing chambers, it resists saltwater corrosion, meaning you won't have to worry about it degrading over time. People are loving it, with over 50 units flying off the shelves last month. Now, I did see a few complaints about the price being slightly higher than competitors, but let's be real here. If you're serious about fishing and need reliability along with high performance, the investment is worth it. This is perfect for you if you're targeting larger fish in both lakes and saltwater. Skip this one if you're just starting and don't want to spend much up front. For what you get, it's a solid investment. Next up, we have a reel that's really popular among professionals.
Product number 4, Okuma Cold Water Line Counter Trolling Reel, priced at $119.99. I was impressed by its lightweight design and high-quality materials. If you want precision and reliability while trolling, this reel is one to consider. The cold water reel features a multi-disc carbonite drag system that distributes pressure evenly, making it easier to reel in larger fish without risking line breakage. It's made with a corrosion-resistant frame, which is crucial for saltwater use, ensuring that it holds up against the elements. The line counter feature is also a plus, helping you keep track of how much line you've let out. With 50 units sold recently, it's clear that anglers trust its quality. However, some users reported issues with the drag system not being as smooth as they'd like. Here's the thing though, most professional anglers are willing to compromise a bit for the overall performance and reliability it provides.
This reel is perfect for you if you're a serious angler looking to troll effectively. Skip this one if you're just looking for a casual setup. It's a bit of a splurge, but it offers great value for dedicated fishermen. Finally, let's look at a budget-conscious option that doesn't compromise on quality.
Product number 5, Cast King Rover. Budget. We have the Cast King Rover round bait casting fishing reel priced at just $51.99. This model is a great option if you're looking to save some cash without sacrificing too much quality. Its reinforced design caught my attention. This reel packs a punch with a 15-pound drag system, making it suitable for various fish species. The aluminum body is lightweight yet durable, which is important for long fishing trips. The double-shielded stainless steel ball bearings ensure smooth operation, which is something every angler wants while battling fish. With 50 of these flying off the shelves recently, it's a favorite among budget-conscious anglers. However, some customers have mentioned that the drag may feel a bit weak under pressure. But honestly, if you're primarily targeting smaller fish or just getting into trolling, this might not be a deal breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable option that still performs well. Skip this one if you plan on targeting larger fish regularly. For the price, it's hard to beat. To wrap it all up, let's compare these great options.
So there you have it, the top 5 saltwater trolling reels. Each has its unique strengths, whether you're looking for high performance, budget options, or something lightweight. The Piscifun Chaos XS and Chaos Pro stand out for serious anglers, while the Cast King Rover series offers budget-friendly choices. And if you want precision, the Okuma Coldwater is a solid pick. No matter what you choose, make sure it fits your fishing style. Happy fishing!